Hey, what's up, mechanics? Today I'm gonna tell you guys why I went vegan. That's the question I get asked so many times over and over. And today I'll let you guys in on the secret. The reason why I became vegan, it's kind of a long story and it's kind of funny, but I thought I would share it with you guys today because over and over I get asked this question, I have a problem saying that, this question so many times, over and over and over. So I thought, hey, why not explain it to the channel? And for anyone who doesn't know about the channel, when they ask me in person or whatever, I'll just show them the video. That might be cool. I mean, of course, I'll still have the conversation. But it all kind of started, let's see, 5 years ago is when I really started becoming a little bit more conscious of what I was eating, just a little bit more. So I went to my doctor. I was around 277 pounds at that point. And I said to my doctor, I said, hey, doc, why do I always feel like crap? Like continuously, like I always feel like shit. And he said, I don't know how to say this lightly. I said, you don't have to be light with me. I want to feel better.
Oh, doctor, is Peter healthy?
Oh, yeah, he's fine. He's just really fat.
Oh, thank God.
Wait, hang on a second. Did you just say I was fat?
So at that point, I thought I was changing the way I was eating. I was eating a lot less processed meats, but I was still doing bad things, you know what I mean? Still not on the vegan path just quite yet. So then, let's see, fast forward about 3 years, I lost some weight. Fast forward 3 years, my buddy Miguel, me and him was arguing over Facebook because I posted a picture of a pizza cone that had like cheese and pepperoni and all that sort of stuff in it. And he was just like, bro, why are you eating this crap? He's like, that is like total crap. And I was like, what are you talking about? I said, ain't nothing wrong with this. And then we had a back and forth dialogue. And then that's when my mind started to open up a little bit more into veganism. After that dialogue me and him had. So I did a whole host of research and everything to like, oh my God, like I need to learn more about this stuff. He started making arguments of things that's changed in him after becoming vegan. So I said, let me do some more research on this. This is like pretty interesting. So, soon after that point, after me and him talked, I was like, this is something that I know I need to do. So initially making my transition was all based upon health concern because I just was doing research on health. And then after meeting wonderful people like Chris over at Thrive and a lot of other people who started showing me more of the animal rights side, because I was completely oblivious to that whole industry. Like, of course, it's like you're eating meat, but you don't really sit there and think about the fact that it's literally a dead animal. Like, you're eating a body. On your plate, it's a corpse. So then when you start thinking about that and thinking about that animal story, you start to become a little bit more compassionate to the fact of where it's coming from and what it is that you're actually putting in your body and what it is you're actually doing to someone by, eating or consuming that. Because just let's face it, no one wants to die. There's no humane way of slaughtering any animal. When you slaughter a chicken, they're dead in 41 days. That's how long they live. But as far as, if you have that same animal, the chicken, and let it live its full life, you got, what, a 5 to 7 year lifespan. So you can't say that that animal lived a full life. It lived 41 days and they wanted to live just like we want to live. So that's what helped me stay on the path. Because, of course, when you're doing something just for health, it's easy to say, oh, I can have this every once in a while or have that every once in a while. But once I kind of made that connection, I was like, look, that's not something I don't want to be a part of. I don't want to consume that or harm anything, so I stay away from that. That's pretty much it in a nutshell why I became vegan. I became vegan initially for health benefits. And I will be doing a separate video explaining what health benefits that I actually received, because I've received a lot of health benefits from this. I mean, a lot of things has changed in me that I was battling with before, and it's very interesting. So stay tuned for that video. I'm recording it right after I finish recording this video, and I'll probably upload it on Wednesday or so. So if you guys have any other questions about me, my wife, or anything, feel free to drop them down in the comments below. Also, what I want to know in the comments below is, why did you become vegan? Or why are you thinking about becoming vegan? You know, because, you know, I'm really interested in that. And if there's something that I can possibly do to help, I'm here for you guys, and I would love to help you guys. Anyway, don't forget to eat grass, not ass. And subscribe to the channel for many more videos. And I'm sorry that it's taking so long to upload videos, but I'm telling you, I'm getting this process together so I can have uploads after upload after upload and not leave you guys with a 2-week break again. Sorry about that, guys. Eat grass, not ass. Peace.